Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1134 Jennings Station Road. They got this yard clean out here. Got a sinkhole going on here. Next to this yard, this riser pipe for the yard trap. MSD came out. They did a dye test on their line. They said she had some kind of separation or crack in her line. And then she needed to have it inspected, so we're out here inspecting it for the city of Bellefontaine. We're going to go ahead and put our camera down here. Like I said, we got a sinkhole right where this riser pipe is. And it's getting bigger. See, there's some little separation there at the riser pipe here. Another one. I'm going to do a dye test on this here in a minute. I'm going to put some water in this hole and check it all out and see where it's leaking in at, and we're going to go ahead and run it out to the main real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera ran out to MSD's line here. I'll go ahead and pull it back, show you what it looks like. I do have water running in a sinkhole next to the riser pipe here, and I can see it. The water's coming through the joints of the riser pipe. I did put some dye tablets in there. Don't see anything yet. Got some roots growing in here. I might have to turn this water off. Be right back. Alright, so I turned that water off. So we can see a little better in here. Like I said, I can see it leaking on the side of the riser pipe, just flowing right in from the sinkhole here. Some roots. Couple more roots growing in here. Every joint here has a little small root growing in, but nothing bad. They ain't taking over too much. Here we are at the trap, so everything out there looks good. Like I said, this riser pipe definitely leaking. Let's see in here. Water's coming here, this seam right here. See that water trickling in. separated right here. See, there is some water trickling. I'll turn the hose off. Alright, so I'll turn the water back on. See, it's coming through this seam here. And it also comes through this seam down here. See, I got some green dye in there. I'm going to recommend this trap and this riser pipe to be repaired. I'm going to go ahead and try to run towards the house. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've tried to get my camera to go in, but there's kind of an offset down here at the bottom of the trap that's not letting my camera go towards the house. Like I said, this riser pipe's leaking in joints, in both these joints here. We recommend this trap and riser pipe to be repaired. Everything out towards MSD is good. I believe everything towards the house should be good, but I recommend when they do the repair to inspect the line to make sure the remainder going towards the house is fine. But like I said, the sinkhole's right here. There's no other sinkholes. Just going to recommend this riser pipe and this trap to be repaired. It's about 10 feet deep. So, alrighty, thank you.